SLACKROBATS, and we got a fun conditioning drill for you today. Today's exercise is called double knee climbers. We've got 3 progressions, so let's get started. Progression 1. You're gonna start with the line placement at the top of the shin, bottom of the knee. There's this little squishy spot here. That's what we're going for line placement. You're gonna place both knees on the line, coming into a double knee. Okay? Notice I have a little space between the knees here, a little easier than doing this. So progression 1, you're gonna come up into Explorer 5 times on each side. Transition the weight into one knee, step up, hold for a moment, and then reverse. That's 1. So you get the idea, 5 on each side. Demo the other side real quick, 3 times. Transitioning the weight now on this leg. Looking forward, something that's not moving. Here I can even the weight out, and then transition back onto the knee, come down. Even the weight out. If you're trying to go for the quick maneuver, you're gonna keep the weight on the knee the whole time. Okay, play with that. Moving on, progression 2. Progression 2, starting and standing. We're gonna move down to Explorer. Okay? So if you need to, you can use a little assist, moving through high pointer. Coming down, putting the weight onto the right foot, placing the hand on the line for a little assist here, bringing the knee down, holding and reversing. That's 1. Same thing, 5 times on each side. We'll demo a couple more times. Bringing the hand down to help, going through high pointer as an assist. Coming to Explorer and reversing. 1 more. So I'm demoing 3 times on each side, but your goal is to do it 5 times on each side. Okay, I'm gonna switch to the other side, transitioning the weight now. Again, the assist, bringing the hand down, bringing the knee, transitioning the weight evenly between the foot and the knee, and then back up, reverse that. Okay, more here. Last one for demo purpose. All right, moving on to progression 3. Starting in the double knee. We're gonna go up on one side, down on the other. Okay, it's important, I guess, when you're grabbing this line here, try not to grip the line, trying to hold the line like so. In other words, we don't want our thumb to go around this way or this way, just in case we fall backwards or if we fall forward. So goal is trying to keep that thumb free. All right, progression 3. I'm gonna go up on my right side, assist. I'm gonna go down on this side, assist. Then I'm gonna reverse it, go back up the other way. Going down the other side. Now we're back where we started. So that's 1. You're gonna do 5 of those for level 3. I'm gonna demo it one more time, and then be able to see what it looks like. So. So if you notice, I demo each direction 1 time. The goal is to do it on both sides 5 times. Okay, now for the ultimate challenge, level 3.5 or 4.0 is to do it with no hands at all. We'll try it, don't know if I'll make it, but here we go. No hands at all. this is the hard part. Now the other way. You didn't see that? You get the idea. And back down. Ooh, save it. Okay. That's why it's the bonus. Send us your videos if you can do that one. Peace.